In this video, you'll learn how to edit videos just like this. You'll discover how to change backgrounds, swap outfits, and add tons of magical effects. Completely free and incredibly easy. Make sure to watch until the end. Go to Google search and look up Google Flow AI. Select the Google Ads website, then click on Create with Google Flow and start a new project. At the top of your account, you'll see that you get 50 free credits refilled daily. This is enough to make 2 videos a day, as each video costs 20 credits. If you need to make more than 2 videos, you can simply repeat this process using multiple emails. Click Start and upload your video. For example, I chose this clip to edit the man's outfit. Click Agree and wait for it to load. At the plus icon, make sure to select the video we just downloaded. Don't skip this step because if you don't, it will just give you random samples. Next, we use ChatGPT to write a professional prompt to change the clothes into a suit. But you can also just write a simple prompt in any language you prefer. Now, click here before hitting Generate. Select 1x, which means it will give you just one sample. Don't choose 2 or more because it will drain your credits. Next, confirm that the video is in vertical format and make sure you've selected OmniFlash. Then, click Next and wait for the video to load. As you can see, the result is amazing. The person is now wearing a professional suit in no time and completely for free. To download the video, just click on this icon. Now, I'm going to create another video with a different idea. I will change the background of this image to place the girl in one of the streets of New York. I'll use another prompt for this idea and speed up the video a bit since you already understand the settings and the concept. Look at that. The result is pure magic. With the adjusted lighting and atmosphere, it looks like a real video with absolutely no editing flaws. Now we're going to run into one small issue, the watermark on the video. But don't worry, I'll show you how to easily and professionally remove any watermark using After Effects. Let's open a new project in After Effects and import the video we want to edit. I'll start with the girl's video and drop it into the timeline. Now, you can actually scale up the video to hide the watermark by pressing the S key and increasing the scale, but keep in mind, this trick doesn't work every time. Instead, I'm going to teach you the most professional and easiest way. Select the video in the timeline, take the rectangle tool, and create a mask over the watermark. In the mask settings, change the mode to Subtract. Next, go to the window menu and select Content Aware Fill. Set the alpha expansion to 5, choose Object for the fill method, and check the lighting correction box to maintain the lights. Set it to Strong, then click Generate Fill Layer. Save the project on your desktop, for example, and wait for the magic to completely remove the watermark. As you can see, the result is stunning, and there's absolutely no trace of the watermark left. To render the video, go to the Composition menu and select Add to Render Queue. Now, I'll apply the same process to the other video and fast forward through it. If you missed anything, you can always rewind and check the steps again. Finally, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel to keep me going. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments right away. Thanks for watching.